All new 2012 Toyota RAV4 EV base for sale now. This new RAV4 EV features 4 doors. Got 17 wheels, heated front seats, unique neutron fabric seat trim, radio, in-tune AM/FM with 3-junction navigation, 4-wheel disc brakes, 6 speakers, air conditioning, electronic stability control, front bucket seats, navigation system, spoiler, ABS brakes, AM/FM radio, anti-whiplash front head restraints, automatic temperature control, brake assist, bumpers, body color, CD player, driver door bin, driver vanity mirror, dual front impact airbags, dual front side impact airbags, emergency communication system, 4-wheel independent suspension, front anti-roll bar, front dual zone AC, front reading lights, heated door mirrors, heated front seats, illuminated entry, leather steering wheel. Low tire pressure warning, MP3 decoder, occupant sensing airbag, outside temperature display, overhead airbag, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger door bin, passenger vanity mirror, power door mirrors, power steering, PO.